Clients and friends often ask me when it's appropriate for them to refuse to take a breath test device if they're pulled over and stopped on a DWI. I'll tell you there's really only two spots where you should do that. Number one, if you got a prior misdemeanor conviction within 10 years of the date that you're stopped and arrested on a DWI, that's one set of circumstances. The other one is if when you're arrested on a DWI, there was an accident involved or somebody was injured in the commission of the DWI while you were doing it. Otherwise, the civil penalties that are associated with the refusal are so severe that it's not in your interest to refuse to take the breath test device. If you refuse to take the breath test after you're arrested on a DWI at the roadside, you're going to end up with a revocation for a 1-year period of time, assuming that, of course, that you're not able to contest the revocation effectively, and you're going to have a $500 civil assessment by the Department of Motor Vehicles, and then you're going to have a driver responsibility assessment as well that's $250 over the course of 3 years. So what we tell everybody is that the penalties associated with refusing to take the breath test outweigh the defenses that you have, except in situations where you could be exposed to being charged with a felony. So by and large, it's not in your interest to refuse to take the breath test. Any attorney that knows what they're doing is going to know what the defenses are and what to look for when it comes to the operation of the breath test. So most of the time, it's in your interest just to take the breath test after you've been arrested and they take you back to the station.